Republic Act 7796. No? Section 30 of that law requires the conduct of the annual national skills Olympics skills competition. This is to promote quality skills development in the country and with the in view of participating in the international skills competition. Winners of provincial skills competition vie for regional or rather participate in regional skills competition. And winners of the regional skills competition participate in the national skills competition. The objective is to represent our country in the world skills competition, international skills competition, and Asian skills competition. Philippine National Competition is a competition that serves as a venue to recognize the skills excellence. It is a showcase actually of how the technical vocational education and training is being implemented in the country.
We have lots of skills competition, but we encourage, there are only a few who participated in the past. So that's why we encourage everyone, as much as possible, all TVIs would also participate.
Colleges.
Universities and colleges. We have about 40 TVIs and colleges, but only a few, like 5 or 6 schools. So we encourage everyone to please participate para ma-promote nato pod ang atong TESDA program.